Hello friends and student, welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. In this video of solution of trigonometry equation part 1, we will learn how to solve different types of trigonometric equations. Definition: an equation involving trigonometric functions of variable is known as trigonometric equations. It is a type of transcendental equation, that is, equation involving functions other than algebraic functions. Example: sin x is equal to 1/2, tan x is equal to 1, cos 3x is equal to cos 5x, etc. Definition: a solution of trigonometric equation is the value of the variable which satisfy the equation. Solution of sin x is equal to 1/2 is x is equal to pi by 6 and cos x is equal to 1 upon under root 2 is x is equal to pi by 4. But like an algebraic equation, a trigonometric equation can also have either a finite number of solutions or an infinite number of solutions. The reason for the trigonometric equation to have an infinite number of solutions is its periodicity. Therefore, there is possibility that trigonometric equation can have an infinite number of solutions. There are two types of solutions of a trigonometric equation. Number 1, principal solution, and number 2, general solution. Now in this video we are going to study principal solution of trigonometric equation. Definition: the solution of trigonometric equation of an unknown angle x, where x is greater than or equal to 0 degree, 0 and less than 2 pi, is called the principal solution for sin x is equal to 1/2, x is equal to pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6 are its principal solution. The equation like cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1 has infinite solution between 0 and 2 pi. We shall see how to find principal solution of a trigonometric equations with couple of example. Here the example first is sin x is equal to 1 upon under root 2. The second example cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2, and third example is cot x is equal to under root of minus 3. So solution 1, sin x is equal to 1 upon under root 2. We know that sin x is equal to 1 upon under root 2 is equal to sin of pi by 4, and by allied angle formulae angles, we also know that sin of pi minus x is equal to sin x. Therefore, sine of pi minus pi by 4 is equal to sine of pi by 4. So therefore, sine of pi minus pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4 is equal to sine pi by 4, and which is equal to 1 upon under root 2. Therefore, also 3 pi by 4 is greater than 0 and less than 2 pi, and pi by 4 is greater than 0 and less than 2 pi. Therefore, the required principal value solutions are x is equal to pi by 4 and x is equal to 3 pi by 4. The principal values should lie between 0 to 2 pi. So these are the principal values of the sin x is equal to 1 upon under root 2. Example number 2, cos x is equal to minus 1 half. Solution: cos x is equal to minus 1 half. We know that cos of pi by 3 is equal to minus 1 half. Sorry, cos of pi by 3 is plus 1 half. And by allied angles formula, cos pi minus x is equal to minus cos x, and cos pi plus x is also minus cos x. It is in second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative. This is in third quadrant. Third quadrant cos is negative, tan is positive, so it is minus. Therefore, cos pi minus pi by 3 is equal to minus cos pi by 3, and cos pi plus pi by 3 is equal to minus cos pi by 3. Therefore, cos of pi minus 3 pi by 2 is 2 pi by 3 is equal to cos of pi plus pi by 3 is cos of 4 pi by 3. It is equal to minus cos of pi by 3. So this is equal to minus 1 half. Also, these two values, 2 pi by 3 is greater than 0 and less than 2 pi, and 4 pi by 3 is also greater than and less than 2 pi. Therefore, the required principal solution of cos x is equal to minus 1 half are x is equal to 2 pi by 3 and x is equal to 4 pi by 3. So these are the principal solution of the cos x is equal to minus 1 half. Third example, cot x is equal to minus root 3. Solution: cot x is equal to minus root 3. We write tan x is equal to minus 1 upon root 3. We know that tan of pi by 6 is equal to 1 upon root 3, and by allied angles formula, by using allied angles, tan of pi minus x is equal to minus tan x, and tan of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus tan x. Tan pi minus x is the second quadrant tan is negative. Tan 2 pi minus x, it is in fourth quadrant, tan is negative. Therefore, tan of pi minus pi by 6 is equal to tan of 2 pi minus pi by 6 is equal to minus tan of pi by 6. Therefore, tan of pi minus pi by 6, it is 5 pi by 6 is equal to tan of 2 pi minus pi by 6, 12 minus 1, that is 11 pi by 6 is equal to minus tan pi by 6 is minus 1 upon root 3. Also, 5 pi by 6 is greater than 0 and less than 2 pi, and 11 pi by 6 is also greater than less than 2 pi. Therefore, x is equal to 5 pi by 6 and x is equal to 11 pi by 6 are the required principal solution of the equation cot x is equal to minus root 3. In this way, we find the principal solution of the trigonometric equations. In next video, we will learn how to find a general solution of the trigonometric equations. Thanking you for watching my video.